lamentation, Bhojan or anything. You will go across day forever. So, kindly he has manifested Srimad Bhagavatam. In this, up to 9th canto, we see Bharat Charitra, Bharat Maharaj. How he left as a stool, Grihasthashram, wife, sister, mother, kingdom, everything, wealth, reputation. But he was entangled with a deer. And how he lost his 3, he was up to Bhav, Rati. So he again, after 3 births, he again began to do bhakti. But for we, if you will go down, you can come, never come out of that. After that, Ajamil Upakhyan, Chitraketu Maharaj Upakhyan, Prahlad Upakhyan, Nrsimhadev, Hiranyakashipu, and all these things. How Prahlad was tolerated. You should try to be tolerate like Prahlad Maharaj. You should read again and again Prahlad Charitra. You will be strong. And after Chitraketu Maharaj Upakhyan, after Ram Leela, pastimes, sweet pastimes of Ram Leela. And after that he came in 10th canto. In 10th canto, 3 kinds of pastimes. Balya Leela, Pauganda Leela, Kaumar, and then Kaishor, and then Youngish. In Balya Leela, Putana, Trinavat, Shaktasur Uddhar, liberation. Very interesting Harikathas. After Dham Bandhan, being Supreme Lord, very powerful, having 6 appearances, no outer, no inner, no up, no down. And Jashoda mother, with love and affection, binded and began to chastise. And that Supreme Lord was weeping. Very wonderful. And then he came to Vrindavan, Dhenukasur, Vatsasur, Aghasur, Bakasur, Shankhachud, Keshi, Bhemasur, and so many demons. Why? Jada jada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. To establish dharma and to demons, to liberate demons, not so he did. So they were the burden of earth. He removed. And when he came to Mathura, Kans, Charun, Musti, all others, and he defeated Jarasandha 18 times with so many Akhauni, more than Mahabharata. 18 times great weight of Prithvi was taken. And then, Kaljaman, you know, Kaljaman, by the hands of Krishna Supreme Lord, very powerful, but he could not kill Jarasandha. By Bhim, he killed him. He was great demon. And then Mahabharata. By Mukunda. And then in Mahabharata Yuddha, 18 Akshawani, 18, so many. And thus removed so much weight of Prithvi. And then Rukmi, Shishupal, Dantabakra, Hiranyakashipu and Jai Vijay. Then Pautrik Vasudev, he made artificial 2 hands and took chakra and all other things. And he told, oh Krishna, don't cheat others, I am Vasudev, Krishna. Otherwise, you should be ready to fight. Oh, Krishna began to laugh. Oh, yes, you are really. And then he came and he killed Pandit Bhata and Kashi Naresh, the king of Kashi, who was also like demon. And so he's all. And after that, Krishna was thinking, still, or Jaduvanshi is there, the dynasty of Jadu, very powerful. So if we ascend to Golok Vrindavan, I will go, then they may create so many things. So they are also great burden of earth. So how should I remove? And then he inspired in the yogis and rishis, Muni heard in Durvasa and other. Shamba was very beautiful. So all the prince of Jadu dynasty, young, they decorated Shamba as a wife, very beautiful lady, and they put some cloths and other things here and made it very, that she is pregnant. And they went to Narad, Durvasa and others and asked, oh, she is very shy. She cannot ask. She wants to know whether son or daughter will come from his home. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, then Durvasa became, oh, not son and not daughter, but a Musal will come. Club will come. And by that whole dynasty will be, Jadu dynasty will be finished. Oh. By fear they did not tell to Krishna. They told to Ugrasen. And then, anyhow Krishna knew. And he saw that now so much Apsagun. Blood raining. So much storms, winds coming. Elephants weeping, dogs weeping. So many things. Then Krishna told, oh, we are seeing so many distresses. Oh, I also left something. After Ras Leela, he went to Dwarka, married with Rukmini, Satyabhama. 8 Patarani, prominent queens, and 16,000 other Rukmini and other ladies. He liberated so many kings from the jail of Jarasandha and also Narkasur. Narkasur wanted to marry with them, but Krishna killed them. And then Rukmini, Satyabhama and other, he did all marriage and made them queen in Dwarka. And then he was thinking now, with the prayer of Brahma and Shankar, that for what you have come, everything is done. We want that you should go to Golok Vrindavan, and in the way you should come in our Brahmalok. And then Krishna accepted. That is why he inspired in the heart of Durvasa to give that thing. And then Krishna went to Prabhastitha and began to donate so many things to Brahmins, to please Brahmins. And he began to do fire sacrifices. And in fire sacrifice they took marine, a kind of whiskey, wine. And they became all mad. And they all began to fight together. When their Astra-Shastra were finished, weapons, then they took the sarkanda, like bamboos, very soft, and it became like thunderbolt. And they fought together, each other. And they all finished. How it became? Krishna wanted to go to Golok Vrindavan. So, by his illusory Maya, those who have come from Golok Vrindavan, those who came from heaven, by this, it was illusory, like dream. And all went to their abode. Some went to Swargalok, some went to Vaikuntha, Jai Vijay and like that. And many others went to Golok Vrindavan. Especially the kings also. It has shown that they also burnt with their husbands, but really not. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has told that there was a magician, and he went to a king and began to show his wife climbed down the rope, having taken so many features full of water, and only a bamboo on her hand, and she was dancing above rope. King and queen became very happy. And they gave a necklace to that lady. Then two sons, young age, they began to fight. Mother, I will take. They began to fight. Mother left. And then, equal, strong, they fight together and they took their sword, and at once he caught his neck and he caught. Both died. Oh, father told, oh, my son, these sons are dead. Oh, he took the and wife also at once came, and oh, it became very sorrowful. Then Queen and Queen Berry up unhappy. Anyhow, they did sanskar and went to their palace. In the morning, a letter came to them. Maharaj, you gave first Puraskar for dancing on the rope. And what we did, we are not dead. Still we are waiting for your reward. Oh, if you have no faith, you can come and see. Oh, we are alive. Then King and Queen became very happy, and they went there with their associates, and they saw that, oh, with garland, 4 are ready to welcome them. So Krishna did all these miracles because he is magician of magicians. So in this way he took his all associated heavenly planet and also Vaikuntha, Guru Vrindavan. Then I will tell another thing tomorrow. Now, one kirtan, Krishna.
I understand that you said that it's like a magic show when Krishna's relatives killed each other. But why would Krishna think that, because you said he was thinking before, that when I leave, they will create some chaos?
Yes. In Jadvansi, like Pradyumna, Aniruddha, all were manifestation of Krishna. They are parikar of Krishna. But others, some are very nonsense. They would do something. So for them, he did so.
Maybe in separation they would become mad and destroy many things.
Yes. Krishna, Jai Jai Radha.
जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल 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 जय 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 राधा रमण हरि बोल 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 जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल